This project has come from the vision of our CEO, Duke, who believes the adoption on NFT in the mainstream depends on its ability to reflect the benefit relationships between digital assets and co-owners. We have identified three main problems for the current NFT 1.0. The first problem identified is benefit relationship between NFTs. NFT 1.0 does not support the tracing and tracking of the origins and derivative benefit relationships between digital assets. As we know, digital assets have many relationships, especially benefit relationships. For example, if we want to use NFTs to tokenize all assets in the world, the NFT must reflect that part of the relationship as well. The second problem identified is benefit relationship between NFT owners. We can see that many products and investments have co-owners. Two co-owners can collaborate to create a product, or two investors can contribute capital to own one asset. The NFT 1.0, it does not support the co-owner model. They agree the terms traditionally via handwritten or verbal contracts. Therefore, the DareNFT 2.0 protocol can create a binding agreement through a smart contract inside a blockchain, eliminating human error and violation of the original agreement. The third problem identified is NFT ownership at risk. The current NFT 1.0 holds more risk than benefit when you buy the NFT. It's purchased whole and can only be sold as a whole. Therefore, there is a low trading liquidity, and the NFT will likely become the liability rather than the assets, as you can only hold it until it can be sold. We believe that NFT should support the owner and give them a chance to use the rental model, so they can receive an income from the NFT they are holding, instead of the traditional outright purchase model. From the three problems mentioned, we have come up with a solution. This is the DareNFT Protocol 2.0, which is currently fueling the era of digital asset tokenization. Our NFT 2.0 will allow the following. Owners can receive royalties from the derivative NFT revenue, support the co-owner model through smart contracts inside a blockchain, support the multi-chain rental NFT model through many networks. Most importantly, it's compatible to the existing NFT 1.0. This means all the NFT 1.0s can become an NFT 2.0 through our smart contract without reminting a new NFT. Digital assets minted as an NFT 2.0 will have more features, more applications, and reflect better economics. Therefore, it will be more attractive to buyers and have better liquidity compared to the NFT 1.0. From our solution, we have found our first use case, which is the DareNFT Marketplace for derivative works. NFT 2.0 capabilities are closer to the real world, as it can support many other types of marketplaces rather than the NFT collectibles marketplace only. As mentioned, most content on the internet is a form of derivative content, such as books, music, and e-learning material. With NFT 1.0, you can build platforms such as OpenSea and Rarible, which are NFT marketplaces for collectibles. Then with NFT 2.0, we can have NFT marketplaces for not only collectibles, but also derivative works. These marketplaces will allow creators to upload their works as an NFT, and reproducers can request to update, reuse, or remix their item, allowing both author and reproducer to earn a financial benefit. For example, a music artist who has created a song can upload it to the marketplace, allowing a reproducer to request the right to copy and monetize this song. They would agree a royalty fee, which would go to the original artist, and this agreement will be formed through a smart contract. Another example would be if you create a book or a learning material, and a reproducer could translate and resell this in another country and give the original author a royalty for doing so. The NFT 2.0 can track the origins of a derivative works and automate the licensing process. This will ensure creators are happy, and they now have a revenue stream of their derivative work that will be tracked through smart contracts. The rental model is suitable for derivative work rather than the outright purchase model that we are currently having at NFT 1.0. For the second use case, we are looking at the NFT marketplace for the rental of digital assets. Rent to earn is a large part of our economy. For example, a big trend at the moment is NFT gaming. However, there is a barrier to entry with the initial investment cost making it too difficult for new players to access that game. Therefore, a user can rent their items or characters they have collected whilst playing the game to different users and earn a revenue stream at the same time. This will be a win-win for all parties and the gaming company itself, as they now have a new user. Biggest challenge we see is that many people are not complying to their agreements of renting or using the item because it's in a written or verbal contract. By using the blockchain and smart contracts, we use NFT as the mapping to tokenize the rear access where we can eliminate these problems. We are the first NFT 2.0 protocol to allow a user to use our platform for all of their internet contents. We have two competitors who currently serve in the digital collectibles market and provide rental smart contracts and are NFT 1.0 compatible only. There is a huge market that is relatively untouched, and DareNFT 2.0 is the market leader to offer a full service package incorporating the following: royalty smart contract, rental smart contract, co-ownership model, derivative licensing, most importantly being the NFT 1.0 compatible. For the first two cases mentioned, we have two growth strategies in place to expand in these areas. Our first growth strategy is DareNFT 2.0 as a service. We have already been approached by many traditional gaming, music or content companies that would like to get into the NFT market and NFTify their products to earn a revenue stream. However, they currently have a barrier to entry as they will need to spend time learning about NFTs and setting up a team as well as an NFT infrastructure. This can be costly and not time efficient. This is where we offer the DareNFT 2.0 as a service to save time and costs for the company. We will provide our API so that our clients will send their content out and receive the corresponding NFT without knowing how the blockchain really works. The integration of our NFT cloud service only takes from 1 to 2 days rather than 6 to 12 months. We can support the traditional gaming, music company or author to NFTify their product or service for a small fee. A user can then use fiat or normal transaction to buy the product or service from the marketplace. We will also support a multi-chain network. Any clients want to choose their favorite network, for example Ethereum, BSC, Polkadot, Solana, Cosmos, Polygon, to mint their NFT for their preference of security, transaction fee and speed. Our NFT 2.0 will support this. Our second growth strategy is bootstrap products. This is looking at the whole picture, as we will create a core platform which we can catch up with any trends. However, we are currently focused on the in-demand market of onboard blockchain gaming. This is a hugely popular trend at the moment, with most gaming companies looking to explore the NFT market. We have been approached by OneSoft, which is the largest gaming company in Vietnam and Southeast Asia, and they would like to NFTify their gaming products. To onboard a traditional game, there are 3 steps. Step 1, they already have the gameplay feature, however they are missing the following. Step 2, it will be to integrate the NFT cloud service to NFTify game assets and create in-game tokenomics. Step 3, the company will need the NFT Marketplace and IGO Launchpad. This will be provided through our DarePlay Gaming website. It will also connect them with other ventures to create partner support, as they not only need technical support, but also the connection to a global community of players and investors. This is our tokenomics. As you can see, we have 3 layers, and this will compact everything we have mentioned. I will start from the outer layer first. In the third layer, there could be many kinds of NFT-based applications, for example blockchain games, NFT-based content platforms, or even our bootstrap product DarePlay. This is built on our second layer in a similar way of Amazon Marketplace built on Amazon Web Service, and one of our examples is DarePlay website for the gaming market. The second layer will create our NFT 2.0 as a service where we will compact all of our NFT features into a package to give a whole service to access to the first layer, DareNFT Protocol. The first layer, when an NFT 2.0 transaction fee occurs, it will go to the DAO treasury. This will be split into 5 main parts. Firstly, it will distribute dividends to the users who are staking our token. Secondly, it will be used to reward the people who provided the liquidity to the DEX. Thirdly, the person who charged the NFT 2.0 transaction fee will get discount if they are staking our token. Fourthly, it will be used to burn a token quarterly, which will reduce the supply of our token and increase the price. Lastly, it's reserved for the future use of our DAO. This is our 3-layer business model. For growth strategies, we have created a roadmap where we have completed the first 2 stages. We are currently at Q3 2021, where we will go to IDO at the beginning of October and launch our DarePlay MVP at the end of October, in which we will co-sell NFTs for our current blockchain game partners Planet Sandbox, Night War, and Warena. In this version, we will demo our cloud service of minting NFTs with Summoner's Era game. For Q4, we are going to do the testnet of our NFT 2.0 in BSC and also our beta version of the DarePlay. And for next year, Q1 and Q2, we are going to do the mainnet and testnet as well as launching our cloud service. This slide is pretty self-explanatory. This is the percentage of the token distribution we are going to use. We have now closed the strategic and private allocation, and as mentioned, we will go for IDO on the 12th of October. Valuation for public sale is $20 million, and valuation for private sale is $15 million. This slide is pretty self-explanatory. We have our sector breakdown on the left with the initial TGE percent and the vesting schedule. This is our current partner and backers. As mentioned, OneSoft, who are the largest gaming studio in Vietnam and Southeast Asia with around 10 million users, are one of our investors. We now have 5 gaming partners on board, which are Moshi Mori, Warena, Night War, Planet Sandbox, and Summoner's Era. We will be launching on 3 launch pads, BSC Station, Red Kite, and KaiStarter. Shortly after IDO, we will also be listed on PancakeSwap. We also have Cosmos Gaming Hub on board as investors who are the 5th largest validators. DareNFT's core team are financial experts, young entrepreneurs, and crypto enthusiasts who all have valuable experience in building companies and blockchain technology. We are close friends and have been working and collaborating with each other long before founding DareNFT. Here is our trusted and well-experienced advisors supporting the DareNFT project.